Hello, welcome back to Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we are going to present you a wonderful opportunity for investors or to live in Torrevieja. It's a fully renovated big apartment with 3 bedrooms offered for 239,000, and it's just 3 minutes from this wonderful beach of the Cura. Now let's start talking about the area, because the area is amazing. It's prime. We are close to the beach, we are close to the services, the public transport, and even this promenade. What I have here is I'm surrounded with restaurants, some shops, and of course it's just the beginning of April and we already have the beach full of people enjoying the sun of the Costa Blanca. And now you have to see it for yourself. So let's start the tour of this penthouse apartment, and it welcomes us at first to this big open space. Let's start by the living. We have very well distributed the whole apartment, but especially this space, because it combines the lounge area, well designed, new furniture which is included, and this nice wall with the mirrors, and also you have a very comfortable chair here. Also, what we have on this side of the apartment is this bright sunny terrace. It's a small balcony, but still you can enjoy the sun, and since we are on the 4th floor you will get it the whole day. Plus it's south oriented. Now let's go to the kitchen. What we have here is full equipped and custom-made kitchen with all new appliances, brand new for you to enjoy. And also what we have here is a very good and bright dinner space. Now let's go to see the bedrooms of this apartment. So this apartment was fully renovated, and I want to make mention that we have air conditioner in 2 rooms. We have new floor, new electrics and pipes, so everything was changed, and it's a really comfortable apartment to live with everything new inside. Now this is the first bedroom. It has a nice space. It's a double bedroom with a window. This is the second bedroom, now used more like an office, and it has access to the utility room as well. But we have really good windows in this property, which were also changed, so you won't hear anything. And now lastly, we have this bathroom. It is totally renovated. It has underheated floors, and of course the design, it just speaks for itself. It's beautiful. And this is the third bedroom, the most spacious one, which has also a wardrobe, a window, and of course the beautiful panel design behind me. So overall, this is a wonderful opportunity, not only for investors, but also for those who want to live in Torrevieja. This apartment offers you very good qualities inside, but also has a lot of extras, one of them being a storage room of 4 square meters, which is in the attic. It's very convenient because sometimes in Spain we have too little of storage in the apartments, but here it's not the case. It has it all. Now, not only here inside of the apartment we have nice options, but also the surrounding area. We are just 300 meters from the Playa del Cura, where we have nice promenade, we have very good restaurants in the area, and overall the services. We are in Torrevieja Center. Habaneras Avenue is very close, where we have a lot of amenities in here to enjoy the life of the Costa Blanca. So now about this apartment, if you need any more information, as always my details will be here on the screen, and I encourage you to subscribe to my Instagram and of course Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. So give us a like, comment anything that is your favorite thing or feature about this apartment, and any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time. Bye.